It's my time to shine, guys. Wish me luck. Yeah. Where is she? Ajo. So guys, here's the girl. I'ma see if I can do what I can do.
Yeah, boy.
As long as I'm motivated, the little ones, I'm motivating you, right? Don't zoom too much. It's a lot to take in. How are you?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
She was like you. Humble.
Ay, ay, ay.
Bakit mo ko iniwan?
So, yeah, we are back. We are outside the mall, Mom's Mall. The place not to be at. So now I was humbled actually. How did it go for you, my guy?
Actually, for me, Nana, it was okay because Miss Joel isn't. So it was actually okay.
He's used to it. I got humbled. She was like, yo, that could be a sound. Anyways, peace, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Because you are got humbled, yo. And yeah, at times she was like you. So yeah, I forgot to put this on the intro while I was editing. Forgive me, guys. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And like, we're trying to build our YouTube channel as well. Peace.